Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's delve into today's market happenings. Indian equities experienced a modest rise, with the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty inching up by 0.3% each, as strong quarterly earnings from State Bank of India, SBI, and Grasim Industries propelled the growth. However, uncertainty over US tariffs on Indian goods has moderated these gains. The Indian rupee appreciated against the US dollar, buoyed by a weaker dollar due to Federal Reserve rate cut expectations and upcoming US inflation data release on Tuesday. Government bonds yielded steadily, while traders awaited both countries' inflation data for directional signals. Analysts are optimistic about SBI, boosting their price targets for the bank. Key analysts like Bob Capps, MK, Phillip Capital, and Jefferies have expressed positive sentiments towards SBI. For instance, Bob Capps upped their PT to 1013 rupees, while Jefferies revised their PT to 970 rupees for SBI, attributing the optimistic outlook to healthy business growth and robust asset quality. The market's overall slump last week, triggered by US tariffs and subdued earnings, is causing lingering uncertainty according to analyst Santosh Meena of Swastika Investmart. He notes that while the slide could prompt a technical rebound, trade updates will ultimately determine the market's direction. 14 out of 16 sectors saw growth, with mid-caps showing a 0.4% rise and small caps remaining flat. Individual stocks saw mixed performance, with Yatra Online surging 19.5% following a fourfold year-on-year increase in quarterly profit, while Voltas fell 7% after missing profit estimates due to early monsoons impacting demand for residential cooling products. Markets are keeping an eye on 15 August meeting between US President Trump and Russian President Putin in Alaska, hoping for a resolution to the Ukraine war. In essence, while markets are optimistic about the potential impact of positive earnings reports, lingering trade tensions continue to cast a shadow over future growth prospects. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more updates on these developing stories and insights into your investment needs.